This is our ensuite bathroom. It sits between the walk-in closet and the bedroom. I think it's the prettiest room in the house. I love how the materials and the colors came together. This is not how this room usually looks. Hi, I'm Anna and welcome to Home Culture. In this video, we're going to be reorganizing this bathroom. And this glorious pile is my collection of storage bins that I've been accumulating over the last few weeks. I have some turntables, also called Lazy Susans, and some divided containers, and then just a bunch of other different sizes of storage bins. All clear, just so I can see what's inside. I think that's gonna work best. Now, first things, I have to empty out what I have, clean up the cabinets, because I'm sure they're a little gunked up on the inside, like all cabinets get. So that's not the fun part, but still has to get done. Our bathroom towers are divided into my side and Ralph's side. Now, Ralph's side, like most guys' sides, is way tidier and has so much less in it because guys can wash their hair, face, moisturize, exfoliate, wash their bodies all with like one product, right? So his side is gonna be easier, so I'm gonna start with that side. I think this container is the perfect replacement for this. I just have to sort it out, but it fits really well in here and leaves a little room on the sides in case there's something else eventually that Ralph will want to put in there. So here we go, let's do some sorting. Leave that for last. Oh, look at the toothpaste, perfect in there. So I think this drawer looks great. This drawer doesn't have much to it. And now this. This shelf here has an outlet, so that's where his things that plug in, like his electric toothbrush and his shaver, that has to stay on this shelf. This is the stuff he uses most frequently. And then this is stuff he uses barely. And then anything above that is stuff he uses never. So let's try to organize this into something that will make sense. This is simple, easy to grab, and I think I grabbed everything. Well, his is done. I should take a break because my side's so much worse. So I said my side's so much worse, and I really meant it. For it being this much of a mess, I don't even know how I find anything. So, same thing. I'm gonna take everything out, clean it all up, sort things, throw out stuff that I even forgot's in there, and then start reorganizing. Now I really can crack into my stash of goodies. This I ordered from Amazon. I did so much measuring and searching to find the right piece. It's a divided little storage bin, and I'll have anything that I can link, I'll link in the description below. I'm just gonna take off the stickers. Okay, so that'll fit in there. And then this one is also from Amazon. And it's by one of my favorite organization companies, ID Design. This is a maybe, but a for sure are my Lazy Susans. This one goes, I think, right here. And then this one's gonna go here. But again, stickers off. So this is hair products and my face wash. I might change my mind about the face wash part, but for now, that seems pretty easy to grab. Micellar water, toner, dry shampoo, hairspray. I'm still trying to figure this one out. So I want to see what I'm going to keep in here, and then I'll be able to figure out if this one has to stay as well. I still haven't made up my mind on this one, but let's go on to the big turntable. This one has a removable insert, and I got it for Christmas from my mom, and I plan on using it for any of our medications. This is organized, and it's going to be put in a spot that's easy for adults to reach, but not so easy for kids to reach. This cabinet is sort of figured out, but my real problem are these drawers. They're so not organized. And these aren't even the worst. This one here. So I'm gonna empty them out and try to figure out what to do with it. I've taken out all these little drawers and they're all just hair things. So I'm going to organize them into things that make sense and then see what I don't use and kind of get rid of that. This drawer is cleared out and ready for some inserts. So I'm going to put this one back that was originally there. And then I have this set, so I'm going to take out one of these. I really wish two fit, but that's okay. I've got one. And I know I have a few of these laying around. Oh, well that's perfect. I just have to empty all those and then refill them. Oh, that's perfect. Now that I've played Tetris with this drawer and figured out what works in here, I'm going to do the same with these two other drawers. Oh, my side took a lot longer than Ralph's. It's been like half the day just doing this section here. But I think it's done, and now I can move on to the bottom. I bought these really large bins to go down inside the cupboards. They're to replace these baskets, because you can't see through the baskets, and I keep forgetting what's in here, like these really old contacts. So, if they're in these containers, I'll be able to see just so much better. Oh, they fit perfect. Sweet. This is like our extra stuff, like Q-tips and all the extras, but can't tell what's in here. So let's try one of these long guys or one of these deep guys. Organizing that was quick. Well, the cupboards are done, but the whole room's a disaster, so I'm gonna do a quick cleanup. Not only did this feel like it took all day, it actually did take all day. But my bathroom's finally organized. I'm gonna go grab Ralph and give him the big reveal, And in the meantime, how about you give this a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And you can leave me a comment letting me know if maybe you spend all day organizing too. See you in the next one. Okay, can you hear me? Are you recording? How come you can't hear me? Can you hear me?